Lesson 4, Massaging the Face. Palm curtains. Depress with the heels of your palm from the midline to the side of the forehead with both palms. Repeat 3 times. Thumbs over the eyebrow. Slide thumbs over each eyebrow from near the midline to the tail of the eyebrow. Repeat 3 times. Chopsticks. Use an index and middle finger on each eyebrow. Repeat the same movements as in thumbs over the eyebrow. Repeat 2 times. Thumb down the cheeks. Start below the eyes next to the nose bridge, down along the cheek to the jaw. Repeat 2 times. 3 fingers down the cheeks. Using index, middle, and third finger, repeat the same movements as thumb down the cheeks. Repeat 2 times. Squeeze the nose. Using your left thumb and your left finger, gently squeeze the broad end of the nose. Repeat the middle part of the nose. Squeeze from the broad end of the nose, sliding the thumb and index finger along the bridge of the nose to the thin end between the eyes. Then reverse it. Repeat thumb down the cheeks 2 times. Repeat 3 fingers down the cheeks 2 times. Thumbs above the upper lip area. Place both thumbs facing each other, meeting midline below the nostril. Depress the thumb sideways from midline. Repeat 2 times. Thumbs below the lower lip. Repeat the same movement as in thumbs above the upper lip. Repeat 2 times. 3 fingers down the jaws. Using index, middle, and third finger, starting from the midline, slide down the jawbone. Repeat 2 times. Thumbs below the lower lip. Repeat the same movement 2 times. 3 fingers down the jaws. Using index, middle, and third finger, starting from the midline, slide fingers down the jawbone. Repeat 2 times. Squeeze the neck. Squeeze with meeting fingers underneath the neck, sliding the fingers to the top of the neck. Repeat 3 times. Digital rotation. Using all fingers, make small circular movements at the top of the neck area. Flapping. Brushing with alternating hands, fingers on the jaw area, below the chin 8 times, on the left side of the jaw 8 times, on the right side of the jaw 8 times. All flapping movements should be done in a flowing, continuous action. Running fingers. Again, in continuous action, move your fingers quickly to stimulate the muscles on each side of the cheeks. Count 20 times with your fingers. Then brush your fingers from the base of the neck near the chest, along the top of the neck to the jaw, and off the cheeks. This is again done in continuous action, sweeping the fingers from the base of the neck up to the cheeks. Repeat squeeze underneath the neck 3 times. Repeat digital rotation. This time working on the neck area first, then moving up to work on the cheek muscles using small circular movements with pads of your fingers. Repeat squeeze under the neck 3 times, working on the ears. Working on the ears. Stretching. Sandwich ear between palm and fingers and stretch them downwards. Repeat 4 times. Ear rotation. Hold the ears in the same position as stretching, and in circular movements, rotate the ear going forward. Repeat 4 times. Massage the pinna. With thumbs on the top of each ear and fingers on the bottom, Move fingers and thumbs forward and backwards. Stretching. Repeat the stretching movement. The 12 movements under the neck. With 3 fingers, index, middle, and third fingers, underneath each side of the neck, make small circular movements 12 times from the pads of the fingers underneath the neck. Fingertip scalp massage. With all tips of the fingers, make small circular movements from the neck area. Work fingers to the top of the head, covering all over the skull.